well-maintained Fox body, unique especially in classics. And best of all, known ownership history to it. 1992 Ford Mustang GT convertible. 2-owner vehicle, both owners in the same family. Started out in California before coming to the Midwest. A little over 70,000 miles on it. Underneath the hood, of course, the 5-liter tried and true. That is paired up with a manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. Headlights. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC, power top, as well as a power seat. And don't forget about this, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase of this vehicle. That may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out all the still pictures of this car. Undersides, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. Over 120 pictures online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, you're riding on the pony wheels. Now, paint on this car, it does show its age a little bit. I mean, as you can see, it has a nice shine to it, bright red. Original color of this car would have been white top, white interior, but it's been driven. And remember the age of it. But overall, you can see this one definitely does show well. Convertible top was replaced. As you can see, the convertible boot or parade boot, also in nice shape. Interior, really free of rips, tears, holes. Of course, the center console. There's that 5-speed manual transmission. Nice aftermarket Alpine stereo installed in this, professionally done. The box that came in will be included with it, so you'd have instructions. There's also speakers there. Fancy cup holder, which would be slick in this car, because obviously you get into some of these older cars, not a lot of cup holders in them. Also a convertible, or excuse me, a car cover will go with it. And then there is a holder for the convertible cover and also a cargo net for the trunk. That will all be included in it. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's one of the little spots that I noticed, like a little scuff. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. There's also a folder of miscellaneous receipts that will go with this car. I'm going to hit on a few of the major things that I noticed just kind of flipping through it as far as the maintenance that has been done to this. Within the last 1,000 miles, tie rod in the front replaced, plugs and wires, rear brakes and shoes. Also, shocks, tranny flush was all done within the last year. Again, that convertible top is new, and as well as the convertible top, new lines and convertible top pump too. So top goes up and down amazing. A couple little touched up spots, kind of see right there. So I'm going to point out some of those, and also there's maybe one in the door here. But again, you can see that that paint has a nice shine to it. This is one of those get in, drive it, go have some fun, turnkey. The folder with all those receipts and the maintenance will go along with it. And it definitely shows. As you can see, these have been replaced. How many times in the Fox bodies do you see those sagging and hanging? Really not much wear on the seats either, considering, again, the age of the vehicle. All right, let's fire this up. Here's your exact miles, 70,724, is it? And that can be confirmed with the Carfax. You'll also notice in the still pictures, if you know the little sticker that has the VIN that goes on each panel, whether it be the hood, the 2 fenders up front, the undersides of the doors, the rear quarters, all those little stickers are in place. I'll point out a couple of them when we open the hood. And as you can see, the microphone for the stereo system, so I'm assuming that is Bluetooth compatible. As you can see, it is working. Rest of the dash, good shape. Tell this car was stored indoors, no doubt about that. Heater core, tranny flush, AC lines, AC converted to 134. Those were more of the receipts that I seen in that folder with the miscellaneous receipts. AC does blow cold, and it's good and cold. So that is working. Hear the compressor turning on and off right there. At the end of this video too, I'm going to run the top up, so I want to show you the new top on it too. Sounds as it should, nothing crazy over the top. Just nice 5-liter. Good sounding GT. Alright, let me pause this video here just a second. I want to get the hood open, check out that engine bay. We'll look at the top, wrap this thing up. Here we go, hood pop. First of all, I want to show you the underside of this hood. This car has not been driven in much for inclement weather, if at all. Look how clean that is. No salt, no grime, not a bunch of crud left in the hood. Here it is, 5-liter. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, well maintained. Monocraft battery replacement. 134A on the AC. It's a nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Smooth running, good sounding 5-liter. Get in this one and go. All right, let's check out that convertible top and wrap this video up. And here's the convertible top to check out. Nice tight fit above the windshield. White vinyl has been replaced, so this isn't like new condition. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Rear glass window, good shape. And its power functions as it should. Passenger side the same way. Did roll up those windows so you check out how they fit. And again, nice tight fit above the windshield. Slip around to the side glass on the driver's side. Give you an idea. How many times you're gonna have the top up? Probably not a lot. If you need it to keep you out of a garden variety shower, or maybe the sun, it's gonna serve the purpose just fine. 1992 Ford Mustang GT convertible, clean Carfax, 2-owner, actually the same owners, or the 2 owners in the same family. California car. Before coming here, right on those pony wheels, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase of this car may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1992 Ford Mustang. This is a convertible. Red on the outside. Red and white on the inside. Five-speed manual. Tachometer and speedometer are reading properly. Temperature shows about 150. It's still warming up. Oil pressure is 3/4 on the gauge. Fuel showing half. The battery is over half on the gauge, which is good. nice radio system. Corners well, it doesn't lean in the corners.